What are you doing here? I don't need an invite. I live inside your mind. True. You know, you act like you don't want to hang out all the time, but I know you love me. All right, well, since you're here, what's new with you? Well, not much has happened since like my shorts got longer. They're practically like below my knees. They should be called capris. Capris. Oh, you know what I'm like super excited about though? Advanced mode just got like way easier. Oh yeah, I heard it's gonna be less overwhelming for creators now. It's way easier now. You don't have to like complain so much that you don't get it. I still get overwhelmed every single time I go in there though, so. Okay, well I bet you're gonna love this. I got stickers now for shoppable shorts. Or are we calling them capris? Oh, these are sweet. I mean, enough about me though. I'm dying to talk about that click-through rate on your last video. So good. You know, I am excited to see that, but I really don't want to talk about it right now. But like, don't you want to even know? Just a little bit? Like, I really don't even want to know right now. I don't want to think about it. 12.4. Did you say 12.4? Wow. I mean, compared to that last one at a 4.7, I'd say you're crushing it. We can geek out on this stuff together tomorrow, but like, right now, I just want to relax. Okay, I'll try to relax. It'd be a really good day to like shoot a day in the life vlog. Should we go check out my inspiration tab? Day in the life as a mom? Day in the life as an entrepreneur? What do you want to do? I just want to relax. It's so good though. I mean, look at the colors, the contrast, the scenery, the sun, the lighting is perfect. Can we just kind of like chill right now though? How can you miss this opportunity? I'll even whip up a thumbnail for you. You don't have to do any work. I know. You're on summer vacation mode. Come on, enjoy the pool with me.